Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be here with a new flower design and I really hope you're going to like it as well. So if you want to learn how you can do it as well, keep on watching. So the first thing we are going to need are the materials, and here they are. And also the measurements. Feel free to pause so you can see them better. Here I have my first piece of ribbon. Go back to the beginning of the video to see the measurements, and I also am going to leave them in the description box. And as you can see here, I'm with the lighter, I'm burning the edges so it doesn't unravel the ribbon. And next I'm going to take the glue gun and I'm going to put a little bit of glue so I can attach the both ends of the ribbon together. So now I have something that looks like a circle, and I'm going to pull the both sides of it so I can get this shape. As you can see, it's super easy. And when you have this shape, you have to fold it in two. So you're going to have a triangle with two sides. And when you have this triangle, we have to fold it in half. And we almost have our first petal. After this, we're going to take the scissors, cut the edge a little bit, and then we have to burn the edges so they can stay together. And for this you can use a lighter or a candle, whatever you have in hand. And it's better to use tweezers because in that way you don't burn your fingers, and believe me, I learned that way too late because I did burn my fingers quite a lot. And now when we have all the petals ready, we can form the flower. For this step you can use needle and thread or a glue gun. In this case I'm going to use glue because it's easier for me. So what I'm doing here, I'm putting a little bit of glue on the edge of the petals so I can attach the two petals together. And you just need to press them a little bit so they can stay together. And what I'm going to do next is basically repeat the same step until I finish all the petals. And I'm going to speed up this part a little bit so you don't get too bored. And I'm gonna be with you shortly. And now when we glued all the petals together, we formed the flower, and I'm just adjusting the shape of the petals a little bit so it looks the way I want. And now we are ready for the next step. Here you can use whatever you want to decorate, but I decided to use flower stamens. And now I'm just going to secure them with a little bit of glue on the back so they can stay in place. And I just waited for the glue to dry a little bit, and I cut the part that I don't need, and I don't show this part because I'm sure you know that already. And next I'm just taking a circle of felt and I'm going to use a little bit of glue to attach it at the back of the flower. And for the next and final step, I'm using this type of hair clip. You can use whatever you want, a hairband or another type of clip. And you just have to attach it on the back of the flower. And that's it, that's the end of our tutorial. I really hope you liked this flower design. If you did, please like and share this video and subscribe for more videos if you're not subscribed already. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!